Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert images to PDF using an easy and free online tool called I Love PDF. This is perfect for combining multiple images into a single shareable PDF document. So, let's get started. First, let me show you the two images that I want to convert into a PDF. These are the images I'll be using as an example in this tutorial. Now, let's head over to I Love PDF to convert them. Open your web browser and go to ilovepdf.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a variety of tools. Click on the JPG to PDF option under Image Tools. Now, you'll be taken to the JPG to PDF conversion page. Click on the red Select JPG Images button. This will open a File Explorer window where you can select the images you want to convert. I'll be using the two images I just showed you. After selecting your images, you'll see them appear on the web page. If you need to add more images, you can click on the Add More Images button. You can also rearrange the images by dragging them into your desired order. Once you're happy with the order of your images, go to the right side of the screen where you can adjust the page orientation and margin settings. For this example, I'll leave them as default, but feel free to customize these settings according to your needs. Now, simply click on the red Convert to PDF button at the bottom. The conversion process usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see a Download PDF button. Click on it to download your newly created PDF file. And that's it. Your images have been successfully converted into a single PDF file. Let's open the PDF to check the result. As you can see, both images are now combined into a single PDF document, ready to be shared or printed. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. See you next time.